Hello everyone, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Sunday, December 1st. Quickly looking at the weather threat matrix, where you're going to have a ridge of high pressure building over the area for the remainder of the week. That's going to be bringing some patchy freezing fog plus some low stratus. There is a low probability of maybe some freezing drizzle on the Tuesday time frame for northwest Montana. And then there's going to be a system that's going to come in towards the latter part of the week, again, potentially bringing some freezing rain, then turning over into snow. So kind of just looking at the temperatures for this week under this ridge of high pressure. For the majority of the Northern Rockies, there's going to be a very little change between the minimum temperatures and the high temperatures due to this. But you get to southwest Montana or some of the valleys of north central Idaho, they're going to have a little bit better mixing each day, so temperatures will be a little bit warmer. But northwest Montana, with the snow that they've recently received, are definitely going to have a little bit stronger valley inversions under this ridge. And then again, we have a very subtle little feature that's going to come through on Tuesday. Depending on if we get that low stratus that develops in the valleys of northwest Montana, as that system comes through, we could just see some very light freezing drizzle, just enough to maybe make the surfaces a little slick. So kind of keep an eye out on that. And then we'll actually have a system that's going to come in towards the latter part of the week, which is going to help mix out those inversions. Looking at the probability of precipitation, again under that ridge, it's going to be dry, but then we get into Thursday, Friday, and then especially the weekend, we'll be looking at better chances of precipitation, especially in the mountains. Under this ridge, snow levels will be steadily climbing as warm air comes in. And again, when that subtle little feature comes in Tuesday, that's why we're kind of concerned about that freezing drizzle, just kind of helping out there. And then when that system for Thursday, Friday first starts, that plenty of warm air, we could see some freezing rain in the northwest Montana valleys, and then transitioning over to a rain-snow mix once everything kind of mixes out. To start off, this is kind of the 24-hour precipitation ending on 5 a.m. on Friday. So this is kind of taking into encompass that precipitation coming in Thursday into Friday morning. Just some really light stuff, maybe 1/10 of an inch of moisture in the mountains. But again, with that strong valley inversions, we could see some freezing rain on the development, with snow being relatively light and just mainly confined to the higher terrain. Maybe some light snow at Lookout Pass and Rise Pass come Friday morning time frame. Then this weekend we'll see a better disturbance coming through, bringing a little bit better snow precipitation with it, and snow levels will be dropping. So most mountain passes could see some light accumulation. Again, Rise Pass and the Lolo and Lookout Pass getting a couple of inches during this event. The 8 to 14 day outlooks indicating that there's a slight chance for above normal precipitation for the second week of December. But again, the probability for temperatures above normal are quite high. So it's going to be kind of interesting to see where that rain snow line is going to set up come December 8th through the 14th. The next briefing is planned for Thursday, December 5th, but if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call on the number on the screen. Thank you. Goodbye.